Hi guys, so I wake up this morning. I was trying to do some work, so I removed my SD card from the camera. Then I was trying to remove some picture inside and some video inside, but I got this message that is saying that this UNC was not readable by this computer. So this is for the Mac operating system, and I was so worried. How can I fix this? I tried like so many different things, but I wasn't able to solve that. But I ended up figuring how to do it, and that's why I made this video, so that some people that are facing this type of issue can save time and just use this technique to fix it also. So here's how I did. So when I got that message, the first thing I did, I clicked on initialize, and if you click on initialize, it's going to bring you to this utility. But if that doesn't happen, what you can do, you can just go here and search for this utility. So just by typing this utility, which is here, then when you get the disk utility, you're going to see that make sure that you know the main disk of your computer. So this is the internal disk of the computers that you have here. But in my case, that utility was what I call here modest. So initially was just like there was a message here that was saying that this not found or not recognizable. Yeah, I think this not found, something like that. But in my case, I already fixed it. But the way to fix it is you do the right click on that. That's how I did. You can run the first ad. Just by running the first ad, in some case it may fix that problem, and when you run the first ad, then remove the disk and insert it back, it may work. But in my case it didn't. So what I did is I end up erasing everything from that disk and format it. So the way I did is I run the first ad first, and then when I remove my disk, I insert it back, it didn't work. So I went to erase instead. So I did the same process. I get to here, then I select erase. So when I select erase, you can change the name. You can use whatever name you want here. But in my case, I just put my name there. My name is Modest. I just type Modest there. And I change this to the format to the last one, EXFAT. So I change to this one. And when I change to this one, I click this. Then I select erase. So when I select erase, it took some time. And then after that, it took some time for the process to complete. When it's complete, you're going to see like the green check button there, and you click on done. So when you do that, you can now close this window, and you're going to see that this is going to be mounted here. So what you can do, you can remove it. If it's not there, you can remove it, then put it back. You're going to see that it's going to be indeed be present there. So that's how I fix this issue. And if you have any comment on any easy way to do this, just put the comment below, so that we can all benefit from that. So that's how I fix this issue. I hope this will be helpful for some people that are facing this type of issue. So and I strongly recommend you like this video and share with others, because someone may have this type of issue, and that will be very helpful for them. And also click the like button and register to my channel, because from time to time I'm going to be posting stuff on technology and also stuff on maybe mathematics, computer science, statistics, and so on, even programming. So this channel, I post a lot of stuff there, so it's a mixture. So that's what I have for today, and hopefully this will help someone, like save someone time, because I spent a lot of time this morning trying to figure out this.